Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I've got some mind-blowing news from the cosmic frontier. Imagine being able to predict when a black hole is going to have its next meal. Yeah, sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. In 2018, astronomers observed a rare and dramatic event. A star, located 860 million light-years away, was getting devoured by a supermassive black hole. This wasn't just any regular snack for the black hole. It was a cosmic feast that challenged everything we thought we knew. So here's the scoop. Initially, everyone thought the poor star was completely destroyed. But surprise, surprise, 2 years later, signals indicated that the star's core survived. Its outer layers, gone, consumed by the black hole. The result? The star was forced into a new orbit around the black hole, while its companion star was flung away at high speed. Now here's where it gets even more fascinating. Based on meticulous observations and some seriously impressive models, astronomers predicted that the black hole would snack on the remnants of the star again in August 2023. And guess what? They were right. The Chandra X-ray telescope confirmed a decrease in emissions as the black hole consumed more stellar material. These astronomers estimate that the star makes its closest approach to the black hole every 3.5 years. So mark your calendars. If any part of the star remains, the next cosmic dining event is expected between May and August 2024, and it could last for nearly 2 years. That's a long dinner date, even by cosmic standards. This ability to predict a black hole's feeding schedule is groundbreaking. It offers a unique opportunity to study the physics of these mysterious objects in unparalleled detail. The repeated partial consumption of the star provides valuable data for refining our existing models. But it's not just about the numbers. This discovery challenges previous assumptions about how black holes interact with stars. It suggests that gradual consumption might be more common than we thought. This opens up new avenues for research and highlights the importance of long-term observation of celestial events. The unexpected resurgence of signals years after the initial flare shows that our understanding of black hole behavior is ever evolving. Predicting and observing these events gives us invaluable data for refining models of black hole feeding and understanding the role they play in the evolution of galaxies. So, space enthusiasts, keep your eyes on the sky. Further observations of this and similar systems will undoubtedly lead to more groundbreaking discoveries. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more cosmic updates. Until next time, stay curious.